It's Rachel of Rosedale. Today's video I'm going to talk to you about how to brush your little Tacker's teeth. I've had quite a few requests, so I thought I'd get stuck into it. The biggest problem that we're having is that parents aren't helping their children with brushing their teeth. The Australian Dental Association actually recommends that adults help children brush their teeth up until the ages of 8 to 9. So we're really needing to be getting there. Children are spending too much time looking at themselves in the mirror rather than actually doing a really good job with their brushing. So obviously I really recommend that children have a go, and then obviously we get in there and assist in making sure that they're doing a really good job. Okay, so I obviously recommend a manual toothbrush. You can do as good a job with a manual toothbrush as an electric toothbrush, but I personally recommend electric toothbrushes. Everybody's different. I use an electric toothbrush myself. The biggest concern is that when people are brushing their teeth, they're not brushing along the gum line, okay? So if you can see here, okay, if I come in really close there, all right, most people when they're brushing their teeth, they're brushing along the margins like this, okay, and particularly that's what children are doing, okay, they're really not rotating their brush. So what we need to do is actually rotate the brush up, okay, and you want it on that 45-degree angle, right? So if you really rotate that up in there, and you can see it's actually getting right along the margin there, okay, and little baby circles, that's what I want to encourage children, okay. I tell them to give their gums a little massage with their toothbrushing. Always a soft toothbrush, okay? You should never be using anything harder than that. So definitely a soft toothbrush and just little baby circles all the way around the gum lines, okay, like this, all right? Obviously changing over there, all around the gum lines there, little baby gentle circles like that, or little sort of jiggles back and forth, okay? Then obviously in the big deep grooves of where the teeth are, where obviously they eat all their food there, okay? And then around the insides there, nice little circles on the inside like that, okay? And once we've obviously done the top, and then we need to do the bottom, okay? So same thing, really making sure that you're rotating that toothbrush down along the gum line there, okay? And really cleaning beautifully, just those nice little baby circles along the gum line there, okay? Flossing is still really important. The toothbrush is unable to get in between the teeth, and flossing is actually not particularly for the teeth, it's mainly for the gums, okay? So really making sure we're getting in along those, in between the teeth where they're touching there, so we can clean in between those surfaces there. Once again, children are unable to floss, so they're going to need some assistance, okay? You can use normal floss, okay, which is where obviously a long piece of, normal piece of floss there, okay? What I do is I use my out two fingers, wrap it around, and I use my next two fingers to push it in between the space there, okay? Particularly for children, that can be difficult. Putting your big hands in a little Tacker's mouth can be challenging. So there's little things called flossettes, okay? They're available from supermarkets, from pharmacies, okay? And that's to really clean in between the teeth as well, making sure you're getting those plaque out of there. If you are rough when you are flossing, you will hurt your child, okay? So be really gentle, just nice and gentle, just like a little gentle seesaw motion down in between the gum lines there. Any questions, any concerns, please let me know. Making sure also as well, the Australian Dental Association says in regards to toothpaste, using a child's strength toothpaste under the age of 6 or until they're able to spit out, okay? You need to use a pea-size amount of toothpaste on a toothbrush, and really making sure that you're getting, once again, along those gum lines there. And then when they have brushed their teeth, get them to spit out and don't rinse with water. We need to be using a fluoridated toothpaste because that is obviously going to change the structure of the teeth to help make them much firmer and much stronger, and preventing them from having decay, which is obviously our main concern. I see a lot of children in here that do have a lot of dental decay, and a lot of it can all be prevented. So prevention is the key. Rachel from Rosedale.